ఇక్కడ ఈ పాప ప్రాజెక్ట్ చూస్తుంటే చాలా బాగుంది. ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ రిలేటెడ్ థింగ్స్ తను ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్పోజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంది. ఇది ఒక్కటే కాదు, తను ప్రిపేర్ చేసినవి చాలా ఉన్నాయండి. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టీచర్ కోసం అని చెప్పేసి ఫ్లాట్స్ కూడా తనే ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకొని వచ్చింది. అండ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి, మనకి అంటే లైటింగ్ అయినా సరే ఎఫెక్టివ్ గా కనబడడం కోసం అన్ని రకాలు ఇక్కడ పెట్టింది. ఈవెన్ ఫార్మింగ్ దగ్గర నుంచి సోలార్ విలేజ్, అప్పట్లో విలేజెస్ ఎలా ఉండేది, యానిమల్స్ ని ఇక్కడ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసింది. ప్రతి ఒక్కటి సైన్స్ లో వాళ్ళ లెసన్స్ లో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్క టాపిక్ ని ఇక్కడ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసింది. అంటే తనే కాదు, ఇక్కడ ప్రతి ఒక్క చైల్డ్ కూడా మేమైతే ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు ఇంత బాగా చెప్తారని చెప్పేసి. బట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ పర్ఫార్మ్డ్ వెరీ వెల్. ఒకరికొకళ్ళు పోటీ పడి మరి సెంటెన్సెస్ కూడా షేర్ చేసుకొని కూడా వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ అబౌట్ దిస్. ఐఎమ్ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ స్టూడెంట్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
ఫీల్ అవుతారు పాప అంత మంచి డిజైన్ తయారు చేసి?
చాలా బాగుందండి. ఈవెన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ టీచర్స్ అందరికి థ్యాంక్స్, మేడం భార్గవి మేడం, టీచర్స్ అందరికి. So they guided so nicely, so that no, the output is like this. So she covered all the lessons so that no, she can understand everything, so she can produce everything here. And it was so nice that teachers helped us in preparing this. They gave all their inputs, and the principal Rajan also helped a lot. They always coordinate with us and they tell us what to do and all in these sessions and all. So that really helped my daughter to groom well and to prepare all this. So it was so nice. No, even we have prepared all these things, so it covers all the lessons. And thank you for the Rekha madam and the principal, and also the Srijana Techno School. So they are conducting every year like this, and the students are participating like this. Not only our kid Tanishka, but everybody is participating and doing so nicely. And the science ma'am also, it's very good, and the teachers are so kind, and they help teachers. Not only they don't focus on the studies as well, but they actually participate in it. They tell how important it is for them to contribute in these types of exhibitions or any activities like this. And thank you so much all Techno Tech School, and thanks a lot.
Right, when light rays hit a surface and the bonus back into the same medium is called as a reflection of light. When we on the laser light here, it will be reflected from the same normal line. Same medium, it will be reflect. Point. It will be reflect here. Types of motions, sir. We have the 5 types of motions. This is the periodic motion. It is nothing but when we swing here, it will be go upward and come. It will be the backward directions. And it is a rotatory motion. Example fan also, it will be get a rotatory motion, and this is a circular motion, and it is oscillatory motion. And here rectilinear motion is nothing but when the car will be move forward and backward directions.
ఎంత టైం పట్టింది నీకు చేసడానికి?
3 days.
Camera, sir. Here it is a pinhole camera. It's the principle of the rectilinear propagation of light. We call it is the distance between the pinhole camera and the screen. Then the size of the image will be decreases.
1 hour.
So this project is the day and night project. The earth we have the 2 types, one is day and one is night. Their rotation and the revolution. Rotation is the movement of the earth and its axis, and the causes due to the earth. It is the half of the earth while the other half is the day and the night.
చేసడానికి 3 days.
Tank. When we fill the tank, it will be get the indicator alarm. Show me the working model once. When the tank is, it will be full, we will get the alarm sound. By the alarm sound, we will off the switches. See here, when the tank it will be full, here 20%, 50, 75% and total 100%.
ఎంత టైం పట్టింది మీకు రెడీ చేసుకోవడానికి? 2 days.
Waste management, sir. Waste management is the organization process for the collecting the transporting, processing, recycling and the disposing of the garbage and other waste products.
ఎంత టైం పట్టింది?
Newton first law, sir. This is, show me that. This is the Newton first law. Force. It shows down rolling up the ramp. And when we put the ball, it is in the balanced, means it will neither slow down or the speed by the rolling, and it is the speed by rolling down the ramp.
ఎంత టైం పట్టింది చేసుకోవడానికి మీకు?
Our Sri Chaitanya school projects from the 7th class. Thank you, sir. I am from Bodupur. I am the physics teacher. Now I am saying about my projects. 7th class, these students. So this is series connection of the bulbs. About the series connection, they added from 9V battery here and 3 LED lids, and here switch we had. When we off the switch, the lights it will be not work. When we on the switch, the lights it will be glow. This is the series connections of the bulbs. Human brain model. We have the 5 lobes. First one is temporal, spinal, cerebellum, and occipital, and the parietal and the frontal lobes. Newton's second law. In daily life, we will use the Newton's 3 laws. We have now Newton first law, second law, third law. This is the Newton second law. F is equals to ma. This is the formula. He is the one of the greatest scientists the world. He invented so many things. He discovered and is also one of the Newton second law. About the project, my remote control board. It is. With the help of a wire, remote this project explain how electronics, wire connected, and the basic physicals. Once work. Show me the working model, ma. Solar panel. When we press the button on the solar panel, when we press the button on this, it will be work from this solar panel. Right, and this. Here, the fan it will be rotate. Panel, they given the connection
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి. ఓకే.
by the solar panel. Next, and this is the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis process, ma. This is the sunlight, oxygen, carbon dioxide, soil, water. This process by which living plants cell containing chlorophyll prepare the own food by the utilizing carbon dioxide, oxygen, and the sunlight and water. Solar tracking system. It will be used to track the solar energy based on the LDR sensor. This is the LDR sensor. By this, it will be works from the solar tracking system. System. The human digestive system is the complexest tube-like structure or tracting acclimated by the mouth from the salivary glands and the pharynx, excrements, liver, and the stomach, and small intestines, and last it will be get from the pancreas. When we put that into the body, our digestive system. Parts of the flower about that. The role of the spell is to protect the bud and the blooms into the stemma and the stemness, style, petals, ovea, plasma, and the star. Off the switches, and we on the switch stem, and then this is the anther, stamina, styla, petals, spells, ovary, flanus, and slab.
ఎంత టైం పట్టింది మీరు రెడీ చేసుకోవడానికి ఇది?
2 days.